So just got my first PrymeMX order, and as soon as I opened it, I was actually pretty shocked to feel it. I mean, this is obviously handwritten, the name there. Thank you for your order and support of Pryme. Team Pryme. This is pretty crazy. Oh, there's a lot more in here than I thought. So when I ordered these, I thought it was just, you know, you get like one of each, but I didn't realize there was two. Like the large one and the small one. This is like the starter kit. This is the first order I've placed with them. Pryme single kit. So I just wanted to, I don't know, sampler pack or whatever you want to call it. There's some heavy wheels, fine wheels, and a few for the drill. This is just awesome, man. Pryme kills it. Alright, well, how well do the PrymeMX wheels actually work? We're gonna see. This is the water pump and the little inlet tubing thing for a 95 KX250 project that I'm doing. I just brought it outside. It's too much of a mess in there I'd be embarrassed to show you guys, but quite a few bikes that I've been working on, and I'm doing a full rebuild on a 95 KX250. This is the water pump housing. The guy had it sitting in a box for like 5 years. Not just this, but every part of the entire motorcycle. Paid 500 bucks for it, and I'm doing a full rebuild. So here are the PrymeMX wheels. Just have it on this Harbor Freight thing. I got it on sale for like 110 bucks. So I'm first gonna start with the rough wheel, then the fine cleaning wheel. So the part that you guys aren't going to see, is I'm going to be wearing this, and then I'm going to take this apart so I can do these separately. Let's see what she can do. Yeah, I smashed my thumb working on my truck. I'm going to lose that nail. Anyways. Smooth. Alright, boys.
Let's see what she's got.
Oh shit. I'm gonna do a small portion here just to show you all what it does. So this is the rough cleaning wheel right here that I'm doing. And you do want to start with a rough and then go down to there. You don't want to take away too much material, but you want to go in one direction for that, like brushed aluminum look. That is pretty good. Alright boys, let's try this out. Sorry, I keep looking at the actual part and not the camera. Sorry about that. Alright, so that was like 15, 20 seconds, 15, 20 seconds. It's gonna work. Alright. Just use the old nasty bolts to put them together, but I need to use the other bits to get in the little tight squeezes here, little folds and stuff. But look at that. Damn! I have the other wheels and attachments and stuff to get all in here, but for the most part, it's not even cleaned. This is just right after the wheels. Ooh, that's a tight squeeze. Dude, I don't even know how to get in there, man. I'm gonna need one of those. Shut up. I'm gonna need one of those, like jewelry cleaning kits or something. I think I have that. But what a shitty little shitty Dremel. Alright, so I'm still not done with them, but this was not something I know how to do, but I did it. I know that sounds so stupid, but dude, these things were gnarly, disgusting. And total time, probably 20 minutes. Dude, you guys gotta get some of these things. Anyways, later, nerds.